Here's an installation of the Mercedes LED projector bulbs in my Mercedes GL450. I'll walk you through the installation. And here's the original one and the replacement, and I'll show you the differences between the two. Again, this is the Mercedes. Apologize if I'm mispronouncing the name. There's a slight difference between the original Mercedes one and this one. It's just that the connector is upside down. It's the same type of connector, except it's upside down. What that means is that when you connect the wire, you just basically have to turn the wire upside down. This is a 4-pack, so there's 2 for the front and 2 for the back. So it's you have all 4 doors for this. All you need is a wedge tool for the installation, and I'll walk you through that. And we'll start with removing the old one. It's good to have something for your knee so that it's something soft. And also, when you open it and this cover comes out, it's not a big deal. You could just remove the back plastic one. So in mine, in the driver's side, this didn't come off, but I guess on the passenger side it came off. And then you could just put the wedge tool behind to remove the old one. It's also good to shut off the light, and you could just do that at the center console so that you just don't have the light running or the bulb getting hot while you're trying to open this. And yeah, so just pry it out and disconnect the wire. There's just a little tab. You just push that down to disconnect it, and that's it to remove the old one. So now we will install the new one. I do want to emphasize that when installing the new one, the pins are kind of delicate, and then you have to move the pins up or into the body. So here's where you shut off the light for the entire car, so you don't have to worry about that. So when I try to install, the pins got bent. So I just want you to not force it like I did, and so if it doesn't go in easily, you have to just use a flathead screwdriver to move the pins up or into the inside of the housing, because that matches or aligns with the notch that's there, the open notch that's there. So just use a screwdriver. Again, don't force it like I'm doing, but just use a screwdriver to move these pins back. So that they don't bend. And now once it's back there, then you could just go ahead and do the connect the wire, and it should go in nice and fairly. And as soon as you plug it in, it should be able to turn on. So here it is, and installation back in is just in reverse. Just push it in and push it in on both sides. And yeah, that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.